Webgility can take existing products in both QuickBooks Online and your store and make the connection between them, even if they don't have the same SKU or unique identifier. This process is called mapping, not to be confused with matching. Product matching occurs when your SKU in QuickBooks is exactly the same as what it's listed in the store as, or vice versa. This allows Webgility to see that the products are the same and do things like post orders and adjust inventory automatically. But when your SKU doesn't match, you'll want to tell Webgility which products belong together. We'll make the bridge manually, and that functionality of posting orders and adjusting inventory will fall right into place. To get started, head to Products and the Product Catalog. Here you'll see a number of options at the top for products that either match or exist in only one side or the other of the catalog. The most straightforward way to do this is using the Not in QuickBooks tab to see what products are in your store that we don't recognize as being in your QuickBooks catalog. This doesn't necessarily mean they aren't in QuickBooks, only that we can't tell that they're the same item. If you have items that you know exist in both the store and your QuickBooks catalog, find that item in the Not in QuickBooks tab and click the checkbox to the left. From here, you can click Map in the header. Selecting multiple items will allow you to map each one individually. Clicking Map will bring up a window that allows you to select the QuickBooks item from a dropdown. This is essentially telling Webgility that the item does exist in QuickBooks, and to make a connection between the two for that tracking we were talking about. Once you've found the product that you want to map to, click Map Products at the bottom right, and you'll be met with a confirmation message at the top of the screen. Going forward, anytime Webgility pulls in an order that contains an item from your store that was mapped, we will post that order data to the product in QuickBooks and adjust inventory accordingly. To see your mapped products or check for any broken mappings or issues, head to Products and Mapping, and you'll see a tab for valid and invalid mappings. You can select individual items and break the connection by clicking Unmap at the top. For more on Webgility Online and its settings, head to help.webgility.com, and don't forget to follow the channel for more on all things e-commerce.